Hi, Fission here, and today we're going to take the DJI Spark out to Mitford Castle. It's not very well known about Castle, and it's quite ruinous, so there's not actually a lot of it left. But what is left is a few walls, windows, archways, and because of the small size of the Spark, I'm going to try and fly it through some of those windows and get some good shots. So mainly today we're going to be low flying, and we might get some long sweeping shots as well. So come with me and we'll see how it goes. So I'm here now. I've just come through a really nice little hamlet, and it's literally just off the main road. You can see that's the road there. Just got to wander across this little field full of sheep, and that's the castle. It's bigger than I expected. Quite a large wall over that side, and then a few scattered walls around that side. It should be fun with the drone. You see the sheep were coming towards there. Really nice place. So there's an old World War II pillbox over there. They built those in the war to protect against enemy invasion. I think there's a bit of a path over here. Such a peaceful place, there's just nobody about. Haven't seen anyone when I've been walking here. A very big walk up to it actually. A big window here, I might try and fly through. See the church over there. That's the nearest building.
I tried so